I first met Lily when she came to meet with Dr. Podeszwa in clinic due to hip pain. And she was one of the most well-informed patients that I have ever met with. She came in so knowledgeable about her condition, about her pain, about expected treatment options that I was blown away.
Could I tell you every muscle in the hip? Absolutely not. Could I tell you where every bone is? Absolutely not. I am still a kid, but I know where my pain is. It's hard going to doctors and them telling you that, oh, there's nothing wrong. And you're just kind of sitting there and you're like, okay, I guess they're right. I guess there's nothing wrong, but why do I still feel like this? I was like, Mom, I don't want to go to the doctors anymore. I don't want them to dismiss me and tell me I'm not in pain anymore. And still be in pain, but just nobody's hearing me out, nobody's listening to me.
She told us that she had had difficulty seeking care at other places for her hips, and she noted that she didn't always feel very well heard or listened to.
So we got here, and I had someone sit down with me, and she said, start talking. She said, what happened next? What were you feeling at this point? Where was your pain at this point? It was just hard to believe, like, why are you listening to me when all these other guys wouldn't? So I was 16 years old when I was diagnosed with hip dysplasia, and I felt like there was so much that y'all could help me with now, and it was so different.
Isn't it your glutes and your abductors? Yes, your glute med, you got it.
Something that we are really intentional about here is interacting directly with our patients. We always make a point to talk to and engage with the child directly because it's their body, and only they can tell us where things hurt or what things feel like.
How's your pain?
It's actually pretty good.
As I'm getting older, I need to learn to advocate for myself, and when I don't have doctors who respect that, it is just so much harder.
She was somebody who was not shy about asking questions or expressing if something felt a little bit uncomfortable or something made her nervous, and did a really beautiful job of being able to share that with the team so that we could work through that together.
Having a team is just so much different and so much more comforting when they tell you, okay, we're gonna be here for you, and these are the people who are gonna see you. And being kept informed, not only telling my parents, oh, she's gonna see these people, but they told me, and I'm like, oh, they're talking to me, aren't they?
I think that's part of our mission here, to provide child-centered care. It's part of why we have psychology as part of the multidisciplinary care teams, and also helping to develop rapport and trust with our medical team so that we could work together moving forward.
Coming here, being valued, being looked at, being listened to means so much more, and is so much more worth it, because I've been in pain for so long, and them telling me that you have something wrong, but we can fix it. This is possible. I can walk without pain, and it's very exciting. I will be going to Kansas State University to get my undergraduate in sports nutrition and then go on to get my master's in athletic training. I know it will be a lot of work, but I just see it as being so worth it if I can even help out half the people who have helped me.